What up, guys? This is Pastor Canario again. We're coming out with another tutorial. We're going to be talking about still booleans, if statements, and else. Okay, we're going to be comparing right now. So let's still use the same examples that we used in the previous video. We're going to do light on. Okay, we're going to make it true. Let's make it false. Okay, false, and then we're going to do a if statement. We're going to, no, we don't need that. It's going to be a light on. So column, and then we're going to print. So the lights on? No, which means we are on the dark. Is that true? Now let's do this. True first. Lights are on, right? That's what we saw the last time. Lights are on. So we're going to print this in the console. So lights are on, right? So no, what about if lights are not on? Like before we did this false, right? False, and didn't print anything because there was no else. So we're going to be adding a else right here. Column, going to do print, and we're going to do we are in the dark. So that should print that. Cool. See? False, and we are in the dark. Are lights on? No, they're not on. It says false. So it wouldn't print this way. If lights are on, print lights are on, but lights are not on. So we gotta go to the next statement, which is gonna be we are in the dark. So lights are off, and that means we are in the dark. Now let's compare. Let's compare all of this with the following with weight. The variable weight. So I am, let's see, 185 pounds. So let's do a if statement. Weight. Weight is greater than 85. Column. Print. So if weight greater than 85, you know, I am too obese. I am too obese, right? Okay, let's do a else. Column, print. I am not obese. So let's run this program. Let's get rid of this right here. I am not obese. So why is giving us no obese? So because right here in the variable we have 185, right? That's the value. That's my weight. If weight is greater than 85, which this is already not true because there's only 185, greater than 85, print I am too obese. If not, you're going to say I am not obese, right? Which is else, and that's why I print I am not obese. So it's comparing with the weight. And here you can just do also comparing. We can use is greater or equal, right? You can use less, equal. You can use equal to 185, right? And also you can use no equals, right? Yeah, so that should be it. With this one, if you want to do more examples, go ahead, go ahead, have fun with this. If statements, if else statement. So all right, guys, so have a good night, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you're watching this video for the first time, please subscribe to the channel. Let's make it grow. This is Python for non-programmers, so if this is the basic knowledge for anybody that can learn and do this. All right, thanks, have a good night. Okay, bye bye.